Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss a psychological model to give meaning in your life. This would help you understand questions like why do we do what we do? Human beings have contemplated their existence since the evolution of model cognition through metaphysical explanations, philosophy, psychology, and by scientific rationality. Each attempt is a means to understand and explain how people choose to act in this world. There are several psychological theories to find and understand the human motion for action. And great thinkers like Sigmund Freud, Carl Jung, Abraham Maslow, Viktor Frankl, and others have theorized reasons for people, why people are motivated, and for individuals to find deeper content and commitment in their life. They must withstand the hardships of existence. Individuals must pursue meaning in their lives in the form of an ideal in order to be a positive, productive individual for themselves. And also, for having the purpose to act, it is very important to have an ideal in your life. So, it is performed through your action, those behaviors are evaluated from internal feedback and also from the feedback of others. First of all, internal feedback is important because you must understand that what you say and do align. Second, other people should agree that what you say reflects your action. So, for example, if I can throw a football 100 yards, I practice and make those words true, and then I show it to my rival that I can throw a football 100 yards and physically showing them. This feedback is a validation of attaining my ideal. Secondly, individuals need a multifaceted support system, a network to visualize and attain their ideal. It can encapsulate family, friends, and your morals, values, and beliefs. Support helps individuals overcome adversity. When people lose sight of their ideal, they enter into an internal conflict, and they must resolve and accept those pitfalls to re engage with their ideal. This conflict stirs up negative emotion, anxiety, a lot of internal pain, fear, anger, and the individuals cannot resolve their ability to achieve their ideal. To overcome such chaos, individuals must either seek some sort of therapeutic intervention, or a person will seek some sort of short term pleasures to avoid this facing this true emotion. Examples of people who overcome conflict are those who rise in the face of adversity, and examples of people who are in continual chaos are those who, for instance, suffer from alcohol addiction. Internal conflict is the natural process for individuals to reorient their behavioral structures. If they do not overcome this tension, they succumb to the chaos of meaninglessness. So, today, our society has challenges to overcome, as evidenced by the abandonment of community, and the increase of depression, and owing to this pandemic, lot of addiction and crime, etc., which was on the rise, now taking a new turn of depression and suicides. To date, there have been efforts to address these issues that fall short because people need to find meaning in their life, and with a full conceptual model for why and how people need meaning, individuals could use this framework for the betterment of themselves and others. In my future videos, I am going to talk more about the needs and fulfillment of these needs leading to self actualization. So, stay in touch. Thank you.